Hello, you're welcome to Grantskills International. My name is Silverina Olama and I'm going to be your skincare therapist. I'm going to teach you the basics and advance of skincare. The importance of skincare is for you to be professionally skilled and self-employed. There are whole lots of benefits, and one of the benefits is providing solutions to skincare problems. The other is flexibility. When I mean flexibility, I'm talking about you doing other businesses. You can do other businesses and you do your skincare business also, so it's flexible. In this course, I'll be taking you on 3 types of skincare, and one is organic, the second is pre-organic, and the third is pro-mixing. Endeavor to acquire these skills now. Click on the